If you happen to be the kind of person who makes their own carpets, you probably use this kind of, I guess it's like a paste, or anyway, you put this sealant underneath your carpet, underneath your material, and if it gets into, like I just had an accident, as you can see here, if it gets into your canvas material, you might think, oh, I'm in trouble now. And it's not a great situation, but this was all covered here with that substance, and I was able to put some baking soda, rub baking soda on it, rub that into this paste. So I rubbed it in. This whole area here was covered as well, and then I use a combination of vinegar, white vinegar, a touch of bleach, like a drop, and some soap. I spray it on here, and I get it out of the material. So I was really, that seems to be very effective, so I don't have to throw away this bag. I just have to scratch off these bits here that have baking soda. And so maybe you want to try that if you have a mess where your container also exploded because it came in contact with something abruptly. I had a few containers fall on it, and it just broke apart, and then all this stuff came out without me realizing it. So now I'm stuck cleaning up. But anyway, so again, to people who make their own carpets and have this problem, I'm just letting you know that you can clean it up with baking soda and a bit of vinegar. And if you want the vinegar to smell better, just use a little soap in there with water, and a little dab of bleach doesn't help. Doesn't hurt either. All right, there you go.